Do you need to quickly align and distribute multiple layers in your composition? Follow these steps using the Align panel and your layers will be perfectly aligned and distributed. To align and distribute horizontally, highlight all the layers. Select Align Layers to Composition from the drop-down menu within the Align panel. Align your layers vertically. Choose the first layer and select Left Align. Then choose the last layer and select Right Align. Now, highlight all the layers and select Distribute Horizontally. To align and distribute layers vertically, top align the first layer and bottom align the last layer. Select all the layers and align them horizontally, then distribute them vertically. The next time you need to align and distribute multiple layers quickly, remember to use the Align panel's options for aligning and distributing.